Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out what we got going on. Today, we're working on the waste oil burner. So we're gonna get things blowing. So hang out, check out what we got going on. Alright y'all, let me bring you up to speed where we're at here. We're working on the waste oil burner today. Y'all know I've been sick and stuff, so I did start to work on it over the Christmas holiday. You can see here I got the squirrel cage mounted, sorta. Made up these angle iron brackets here, top and bottom. Next we're gonna be putting, well, first I gotta attach it. You can see I just got it clamped on there right now, but I'm just gonna use zip screws, zip them in place. Not a big deal, but yeah. So then next we're gonna take sheet metal, drop it down the sides, across the top and bottom. I do have to make a panel for in here, cover this up, but that, like I said, no big deal, we can do that. So I'm not gonna video putting the zip screws in here. I'm just gonna do it, but yeah, you guys can see it's gonna blow right in the tube. So let me get this thing fastened, and then we'll move on to doing the sheet metal work. So give me a minute and we'll do that. Alright y'all, got that blower all mounted. As you can see, I got a line here. I'm gonna have to cut it off down here, and I gotta put a bend on it here. So I'm gonna get the cut off, and we'll bring you back and show you how I'm gonna bend it. So give me a minute and we'll do that. Alright y'all, got my top and bottom pieces there for above and below the blower. Got the radius cut out on them, so there's that. And then I got my two side pieces cut out. I think I'm going to take it to work and use the brake press there and put the line, or put the bend in it there, so it's a nice even bend. I can do it here, but I got the tools at work, so we're going to do that. And once we get all that stuff ready, we're ready to fasten it in place. And I'm just using self-tapping screws, no big deal. So we'll bring you back when we get everything ready to install. Alright y'all, right there, that goes right in there. Perfect fit. Got a nice little lip. After I put this piece here on, I'll put this on, and I'll just run a screw right down in her, and she should be pretty well to go. I may end up putting a screw down in this bottom corner down in here on each side. Not sure yet. If it doesn't rattle, then I won't worry about it. If it rattles, then we'll do that, or we'll do something different. So alright, let me get these side pieces here, and we'll get them fastened on. Alright y'all, got the side pieces bent there. Got the top and bottom pieces cut yesterday. So we're going to move over there, and we're going to start putting this thing together. Alright y'all, box is all on, all screwed in. The only thing left to do is I'm going to get some foil tape and tape all the seams. I don't have any here. Well, I might have a little bit, but I don't think it's going to be enough to do the whole thing. But that, and do the wiring. But I'm not going to show the wiring because I am no electrician, and I don't want you all saying anything about my wiring job. So I think that's going to be it for this one. We got it all installed and everything. I'll probably wire it up and plug it in, let you guys see it blowing through. So let me do a little wiring here and we'll come back. Alright y'all, got it wired in. She's blowing through the holes just like we wanted. The nice thing about it is it's not really that loud. I mean, it's strong enough it'll blow that out of there. So all right, that should really get some heat going here, y'all. And I did find some seam tape to tape these seams up with, and it's gonna be good. I'm gonna like it. Always improving, hopefully. So I'm gonna put the seam tape on this after outside, you know, after I shut the camera off, because I mean I'm feeling there's not a whole lot of air coming out of them seams. So for right now, I'll probably just let it go. I am going to get a two-way switch because I just got it wired hot now to a plug, and I'm going to run it like this. If it doesn't get too hot, I'm going to mount the switch box right here. But if it does get too warm, then I'll wire it a different way so that I don't have to reach back, plug it in or anything like that. I'll just flick the switch either high or low. So, all right, y'all. There you go. Got the used oil or waste oil burner all plumbed in with that squirrel cage blower, and I'm probably 8-9 feet from it. It's moving some air out here, y'all. I still have it running. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background. I can't really hear it, and nothing more than that box fan that was back there. But this should really help. This should really move the heat out, and hopefully make it a whole lot warmer out here. We'll get some more stuff done when the temperature really drops. I've been fortunate this full winter so far. Hasn't been all that cold out. Had a couple cold spots, but like today, it's like 40 degrees out, 45 degrees out, something like that. You know, I can deal with that with just a hoodie on. So, all right, there we go. Another project done here in the garage, or continued on here in the garage. I don't think we're going to do too much more on this. A couple little ideas, but I'll have to wait and see how this pans out. If this works good, then we'll probably won't do it. But what I was thinking is putting a steel plate on top of the burn plate or burn pot with a little gap on it, just to get some more heat surface. I don't think I'm going to need it because I got the heat exchanger there, so we're going to run it like this. So, alright y'all, hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Definitely ring the bell, because you never know what we're going to be working on out here in the shop, and don't want to miss out. So don't forget about the Sunday live streams. Come on over there, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Talk about all the kinds of stuff. Talk about what's been going on the past week, what's coming up. We just have a really good time. If you got small engine or mechanical questions, I usually have a really good panel to help answer any of them questions. So it's just a chance for us to get to know each other a little better. Mingle, talk. You know, I do all the talking in these. You guys really don't. So, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.